Okay, so I have 3 beds of corn. That's bed 1, bed 2. I have a few that have 3 in the same hole. I might kind of do some separations next week after it rains. And bed number 3, I also need to do some weeding, but it has been so hot, so I have to do most of my stuff in the evening after work. And these are onions. That's onion. This is a tomato plant. I have tomato here. I have 1 carrot. That was the only seed that came up. I have thyme. I tried to plant thyme and rosemary all over because I use those herbs often. This is a bed of mint, and I also have a rosemary plant right there. It's a cutting from a big rosemary plant I had. That big rosemary died. And I have lettuce and I have onions around it, just to try and prevent bugs from messing with it. Okay, and these cabbage, it was an experiment. I just went to the store, I bought 2 cabbages, cut the top off and plant the tail into the soil. I just wanted to see if it would catch. And can you believe, 1 tail actually produced at least 3 cabbage from that 1 plant. So this is only 2 cabbage I planted, guys, and it looks like I am going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cabbage from 2 heads or tail. Is it the tail when you cut the head off? Yeah. And I have broccoli. I got broccoli from this already, so I should get another. Should be able to get more broccoli from this before the season is done. And of course I have mint. Again, I have rosemary right there. And again, like all my vegetables, I try to plant like strong smelling herbs around it. So you see this have the mint, and it's not gonna 100% keep the bugs off, but it helps. So the broccoli, I have the mint, the cabbage, I have the onions, of course the lettuce, I have the onions, and then I have the mint beside it. That was broccoli. I didn't get anything from it. It just started putting out seeds. So hopefully those seeds will fall and I'll get from that. And then this is another bed. I have tomato, I have pepper, and again I have onions in here. So these are putting out flowers, so I will be picking the flowers off because, you know, the plant is too young. So it's like it's going to concentrate on bearing the fruit instead of growing bigger. So I'm going to take the blossoms off, the flowers off, and give the plant a better chance of growing bigger. You know, the plant grow bigger, I get more fruit. In here I have tomatoes in here, and then beets over here. And this is just the side of the property. I have 2 more beds at the front, and then I have a side with my fruit trees. So I like going bigger every year, because you know you can never lose by growing food to eat. And this is leaf of life. That's what we call it in Jamaica. I do not know the scientific name to it, but leaf of life builds your immune system, helps with high blood pressure. I think it actually hibernates because even when I think the plants are dead, the leaves usually come back. And I got like 3 leaves from my aunt, and I got all these plants because the leaves actually put out the roots on the side, and I can get a lot of plants from just 1 leaf. Okay, and then my pineapple plant, they did not do well in winter. I had them in the greenhouse, but for some reason it still didn't do well. So it is what it is. Okay, and then I have my container. The back is more of my livestock. I have the girls. They're just chilling in the dust. They're just chilling. They always think I'm bringing them something to eat, so they're always excited to see me. I'll be back, guys. I have some watermelons.